click. This is the importance of titles and thumbnails.
Everything you want as a creator comes from making the best videos possible and thumbnails.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a good thumbnail, like this one. Anyway, let's begin. This is just an example. You can make a lot of them with the same method. In fact, I made these with the same method. Even this thumbnail, I made it with the same method. This is how I got my background. You can read it later and you'll understand how. Download Copilot. We give him a photo and we tell him to give us description, then to make a photo based on his description. We open Hypik, download it from the Play Store, and we remove the unwanted elements with the magical remover. You can save your time, you can minimize it and work on something else.
Productivity.
After we remove every unwanted object, this is how it should look. Now, in order to make our scene look good, we do color correction, whatever. We select auto, we select enhance light. Anyway, need a clean photo of your skin. You maybe search it in the Google or remove the background with an online background remover. They are free and good. And we do the color correction for him. Now we go back to our photo, we go crop and we make it in the ratio of a thumbnail. We fix the lights a little bit. Okay, we do a little bit of color adjustment. We go to overlay and we add our skin. Okay, we scroll and we find crop. We add water splash, you can search it in the Google. And now we're going to use AI to make our ghost face character. I used Gemini. You can download it or find it already in your phone. And after several corrections, you finally achieve something kinda good. Just try several times and learn from your mistakes. Worst case, try again. Just open new chat and try again. Personally, I like this one. Now we tell Gemini to make us an image of the world ghost face with some red. The result that we're going to take looks good, but not good enough, so we're going to try again. Anyway, we try until we get a good result. I told him to add a knife behind it. We download it and we use an online background remover and we add it on the top of our thumbnail. Our thumbnail should look like this. As you can see, he is behind the water splash. We can make an object behind another object by changing its order. You can see that I added stroke to the ghost face word. As for the text, we add text, yellow color, we change the font, and we change the order. As you can see, I added arrow and text. Just download an arrow from the Google. That's it. I wish the video wasn't so boring. I know this method kinda work with horror thumbnails. However, you can have a cool background and do other thumbnails with the same method. Just keep open mind, okay? Like and subscribe to our channel. See ya!